Here's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Settle for more. Go for the power, comfort, and sophistication of the SRX. It comes with all the amenities you need. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Refrigerated box located in the glove box. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Automatic transmission. Dual-zone climate control. OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. First and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Gas pressurized shocks. And V6 engine. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.